Oh, do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Oh, yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane.
Hello, children. I am number 8. I come after number 7. And I come before number 9. Let's count together. 7, 8, 9.
Hello, children. Let's count these flower pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 flower pots. That is why I am number 8.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Children, today we are going to learn about number 8. Number 8 comes before number 9 and after number 7 while we count numbers. Now let's count flower pots one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, children. There are 8 flower pots on the page.
Hello, children. Look at the page. This is a living room. This is a soft sofa. This is a small table. And look below. This is a carpet. We sit on the sofa, keep things on the table, and walk on the carpet.
Hello, kids. This is a television. We watch cartoons on it. This is a clock. It tells us the time. And these are curtains. We open and close the curtains on the window.
Hello, children. This is a table lamp. It gives us light. Look, we are books. And this is a book cabinet. We keep our books inside the cabinet.
Hello, kids. This is a bed. We sleep on the bed. This is a pillow. We keep our head on the pillow. And this is a bed sheet. It covers the bed nicely.
Hello, children. Look here. This is a mirror. We see our face in the mirror. This is a dressing table. We keep our small things here. And this is a shelf. We keep toys and books on the shelf.
Hello, kids. This is a window. Fresh air comes from the window. This is a cupboard. We keep our clothes inside. And this is an alarm clock. It wakes us up in the morning.
Hello, children. Look at the page. Today we are learning about things in a living room and bedroom things. Let us start with the living room. In the living room, we usually have a sofa and a table. A sofa is a comfortable seat where we sit and relax. A table is used to keep cups or decorations. In the living room, we also see a carpet and curtains. A carpet is placed on the floor to make it soft and beautiful. Curtains are cloth pieces that cover the windows. We can also find a television, a clock, and a table lamp in the living room. The television is used for watching programs, a clock shows the time, and a table lamp gives light. Now let us look at the bedroom. In the bedroom, we have a bed and pillows. The bed is used for sleeping, and pillows help us rest our head comfortably. There can also be a carpet, curtains, and an alarm clock in the bedroom. The alarm clock helps us wake up on time in the morning. In the bedroom, we may also see a cupboard and a dressing table. A cupboard is used to keep clothes safely. A dressing table usually has a mirror. Very good, children.
Hello, little stars. I am Matt. I lie flat on the floor so you can sit or wipe your feet on me. M-A-T. Matt.
Hello, little stars. I am Bat. You can use while you play cricket, B-A-T, bat, bat. Hello, little stars. I am Hat. I sit on your head and protect you from sun. H-A-T, hat.
Hi, Hat. You look great.
Hello, little stars. I am Vat. I am a big container that holds lots of liquid. V-A-T, vat.
Hello, little stars. I am Cat. I say meow and I love to play. C-A-T, cat, cat.
Hello, little stars. Sat means someone was sitting. S-A-T, sat.
Hello, little stars. I am Rat. I am small and quick. R-A-T, rat.
Hello, little stars. I am Fat. Fat means big and round in shape. F-A-T, fat.
Hello, little stars. I am flat. Flat means not round, smooth and level. F-L-A-T, flat. Hello, little stars. I am Pat. Pat means to touch softly with your hand. P-A-T, pat.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the at word family. These words all end with the letters A and T and they make the sound at. Let us start with the word mat. A mat is something we place on the floor. We can sit on it or wipe our feet on it. Now look at the word bat. A bat is used to play cricket and it can also be something we use to hit a ball in the stadium or playground. The next word is hat. A hat is something we wear on our head. It can protect us from the sun or keep us warm. Now children, look, we have the word vat. A vat is used stored thing like liquids, powders and solids. Here we have the word cat. A cat is a small animal that says meow. It is a common pet in many homes. This word is rat. A rat is a small animal that looks like a mouse. It moves quickly and has a long tail. Now look at sat. Sat is an action word. It tells us that someone was sitting. For example, the boy sat on the chair. The word flat means something that is smooth and not round. If a balloon has no air, it becomes flat. Next we have fat. Fat means something is big or thick in shape. We must use this word kindly when talking about people. The word pat means to touch someone or something gently with your hand. For example, you can pat your dog softly. Now look at chat. Chat means to talk in a friendly and relaxed way. Friends often chat with each other.
Hello, kids. I am Man. I am a grown-up person who works, helps, and takes care of family. M-A-N. Man.
Hello, kids. I am Van. I carry people and goods from one place to another. V-A-N. Van.
Hello, kids. I am ban. Ban means not allowed. If something is unsafe, teachers can ban it. B-A-N. Ban.
Hello, kids. I am Can. I can hold juice or soda. After using me, recycle me. C-A-N. Can.
Hello, kids. I am Pan. I help cook tasty food on the stove. P-A-N. Pan.
Hello, kids. Ran means someone was running. R-A-N, ran.
Hello, kids. I am Fan. I spin around and give cool air. F-A-N, fan.
Hello, kids. Tan means skin becomes darker in the sun. T-A-N, tan.
Hello, kids. I am San. In some places, San means a respectful way to call someone. S-A-N. San.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to read and understand words from the an word family. These words end with A and N and they make the sound an. Let us begin with the word man. A man is an adult male person. Men work, teach, help others and take care of their families. Now look at the word van. A van is a vehicle that carries people or goods from one place to another. It is bigger than a car. The next word is ban. Ban means something is not allowed. For example, a school can ban running in the hallway to keep everyone safe. Here we have the word pan. A pan is used in the kitchen for cooking food. We can fry vegetables or make pancakes in a pan. This word is can. A can is a container made of metal. It holds drinks like juice or soda and it can also hold water. Now look at ran. Ran is the past tense of run. If someone was running yesterday, we say they ran. The word fan means a machine that moves air and keeps us cool. When it is hot, we switch on the fan. Next we have tan. Tan means your skin becomes darker after spending time in the sun. Now look, the picture san means a respectful way to call someone when we bow in front of someone to show respect. Now children, trace the words carefully on the page. Very good children. I hope